Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, BOD Personalized. If you haven't installed Python on your computer and a code editor, I recommend that you watch my video. Install Python and your code editor in less than 5 minutes so you can follow along. I've included the link in the description. Now that we've installed Python and you've got your code editor, so VS Code or Spider. As you can see here, I use Spider. Together, we're going to configure your working environment so that you can use Selenium. So here, in the console, we're going to type the pip command. So pip is going to be the Python's package manager for installing Selenium. So here we write pip install Selenium and enter. So this will download and install Selenium on your machine. Then the bot can use the Python package. Perfect. So here we have Selenium installed, and it's advisable to restart the whole thing to make sure that all the new packages have been taken into account and added. Now that we've downloaded Python, Selenium, and our code editor, we'll need to install a WebDriver for your browser. We're going to use Google Chrome as an example, so we'll need to install the Chrome driver for this WebDriver. This will enable Selenium to control your browser. So you will type WebDriver download. Click on Download Chrome driver. Then go to the Version Selection tab here. Availability Dashboard. You take the stable state, of course, and then here so you have the Windows version 64 you copy this link. Open a new page, paste, and it downloads the Chrome driver directly. Our Chrome driver has now been downloaded, and we're going to unzip it. Then this window appears, we extract it, and now we open it. And the interesting part is the Chrome driver. Here the Chrome driver.exe. Then, depending on the location, where you're going to put it on your computer. When we will type a script, we'll need to indicate where the Chrome driver is in the computer, so that the script can fetch the Chrome driver using the correct path. Join our community by subscribing to my channel, so you don't miss any of my future tutorials and tips on automation with Python. Your support is essential. So if you enjoyed this video, a like would be really appreciated. I look forward to reading your ideas in the comments on what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon to explore new automation possibilities together.